Hey guys, welcome back to the Fortnite Talk Show. And today we're going to be talking about the new gun. That's the
Pump shotgun.
high explosives, and the mode. I forget the name.
The high rumble or whatever.
I can't.
So first off, the new pump shotgun. I like this pump shotgun more than the other because I never really liked pumps, but now this one I really like it. It does a lot of damage, and it's not like the double barrel where it only has 2 shots. It's 5 shots. It does a lot of damage. It does have a reload time, but if you can use it and like hit at least a couple shots, you'll easily kill the person with like maybe 1 shot, 2 shots, 3 shots. But it's good since you have 5 bullets, and if you do run out, you can just switch to SMG or AR or whatever. And it's just a really good gun, and I really like the new pump shotgun. What, Siren?
So I'm going to be talking about the high explosives. So the high explosives mode is where you have rocket launchers, grenade launchers, and the quad launcher. I cannot speak today. Quad launcher. And it's a very fun mode where you can just pretty much kill people with explosives, and that's pretty much really it. I feel like I'm missing one thing about that mode, but
It's not hard to win in that
Grenade
mode.
launcher, RPG.
I talked about before.
So the high, what's it called? High rumble. It's a 20v20. You get 5 to 10 minutes to get all your gear and guns and stuff. And you get you go wherever the circle is, and you just
You don't
fight.
have to.
It's kind of like 50v50, but it's 20v20s. And
You can redeploy
It's
your
first-
shoot.
And it's
Yeah.
first to 100 eliminations.
yeah.
Yeah. But you don't have 5 to 10 minutes. Like, you can go on their
Yeah.
size right away.
Literally yesterday, I was playing a game, and our team lost 199. It was so awesome. Oh my gosh, it was so fun. I don't know who. So, thought Siren. What do you think about the high explosives?
Pretty fun. It's very easy to win in that mode. I played it like 3 times. There was fly explosives. There was
Not necessarily thought Siren.
it was fly.
It's solos.
So, well, yeah, there was the first day there was solos, and then, pretty much the whole time the mode was out, there was duos and squads. Since
Since
season 3.
they got it back.
I wish it was permanently in a game mode because it's very fun.
Is that it?
I think that's really it.
Make sure you subscribe, like the video, turn on your post notifications, and yeah.
We'll
And
see you
new
on-
videos will be posted basically every week. We have a new video, maybe twice a week, but yeah,
Never know.
post pretty.
Like, subscribe, put on
Yeah.
those notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next one.